Hi guys, welcome to this video about the GoPro Hero 7 Black and the question if it's capable to do 4K at 60 frames per second. Why am I doing this video? It's because I got a reply from a viewer who told me his GoPro Hero 7 Black isn't capable, or it's not, he cannot activate 4K at 60 frames per second. So I wanted to try this out with my camera. What we have here, of course, on the here they already write it clearly here, 4K 60 seconds. That means 4K 60 frames per second usually means really at this combination, not with a lower resolution or something like that. Here we have the same thing again. Maximum resolution is 4K at 60 frames. Maximum speed is 240 frames at 1080p. When we go to the camera, I'm usually using lower resolution, lower frames. But as you can see, when we go to the frames, resolution and frames, so you can see we have activated now the 4K. And when we click on the frames per second, the 240 and 120 are grayed out. So we can't choose 240 and 120. There's an error message, as you can see. It says 240 is only supported at 1080, 120 is only supported at 2.7K and 1080, but with 4K and 60 frames, it can do. Hope you can see that. It has now a little bit problems focusing on the screen, but hope you can still see that it's saying even hyper smooth stabilization. Looks there's no problem with that. When we click on recording, it's a little bit difficult to see, but from my point of view, I can clearly see that there is stabilization. Otherwise the picture wouldn't be so smooth. So it's really working. The only thing what I had, this is really strange, I had 1080 with 30 frames. I was recording on that. Okay. And maybe I have to turn it off and turn it on again. Hold on a second. So this is exactly what I did before. I turn it on. I had it on 1080p and 30 frames. I clicked on that and I changed the resolution to 4K and I changed the frame rate to 60, and it gave me an error message or a warning saying that it will not be stabilized. Isn't that strange? I have no clue why this error message does not show up again. Maybe it's just a one-time thing, but it looks like it's not true. Because now it says 4K 60 frames hyper smooth stabilization, and I've checked it and it really does it. So that's really weird. It would be really interesting to see what's the state in your camera. Can you turn it on 4K 60 frames? Are you getting an error message or warning that it's not stabilized? It would be really interesting if you could leave a feedback down in the feedback area. So that's it for now. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.